Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It's Monday. You guys, it's Monday, new week. I am ready to make this money on Monday, you guys. Although I'm going 10:25 right now. I overslept. My plan was to come to work at 6, y'all, but plan failed. Here I am, 10:25, going to work, and this time is very bad time to start working because it's slow hours to go to work. But I was like, you know what? Let me just go over there and wait. You never know. They could hit me with a very good order. You know? So here I am on my way going to Walmart, you guys, and I'm ready to make this money today, y'all. Today. I just received my first offer, you guys. $13.60 mayo. It's only one drop off. But I'm thinking, like, should I take it? Should I not? I mean, it's paying $2 per mayo. But no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a higher offer, more than 15. How about that? Let's wait, y'all. Let me wait. Another offer after the other one is $7, you guys. Going through mile, only one drop off. This is not DoorDash. In DoorDash, I would take that immediately, but in Spark, you gotta wait, baby. You gotta wait for that big offer, more than $15. Let's keep waiting, y'all. Let me keep waiting for the good one. I know it's on the way. I have realized that in Spark, the orders that we decline in Spark, in DoorDash, I used to take them, y'all. I used to be like, oh my God, she's the best offer. I think it's because in Spark, you dealing with all this, a lot of groceries, and in DoorDash, you're only dealing with like a small thing of like just a small thing. That's the difference, yo. That's the difference, because I'm not gonna bring your 50 groceries for $7. I know it's going as small miles, but I'm not about to bring you your groceries for $7. I am not. Buying DoorDash, I will run to that order. I will run going to get that order. I receive another order. I'll for you. Let me go check. It's all about bad offers. $14. It's going 80 mile within 3 drops. No. I'm going to sit here and keep waiting. And I'm not going to tell you guys any more bad offers until I have a good one. Because they're about to be bringing bad orders. So let me sit down here and chill with my book. Yo, I have stayed on this book for a long time, but I need to finish it. Okay, so let me relax and read my book. I will see you guys when I have my best offer so far. Okay, now we're talking. I just received another offer after like 15 minutes after my last one. $25, you guys, going 3-point-something mile, and it's only 2 drop off. So the pickup time is 11:10, and right now it's 10:55. So let's wait, y'all. Let's wait. All right, I am here. The first drop off. Drop my first drop off. All right, second drop off. I'm going to scan here and going to hurry about dropping our second drop off. It's kind of a lot, but we got it. We got it. Let's go. Let's move. Let's receive the shopping order, you guys. $36. I'm shopping for 2 people. So one person is shopping for 7 items, and the other one I think is like 15. I don't know, but it's going 7 miles. So let's go, let's go. Our second order of the day, y'all. Second order of the day. It's everything, y'all. I'm done shopping for both people. Yo, today's weather feels so good. Oh my God. It's 57 degrees right now. So no hot and no cold. It's just in the middle. Feels so good. Super, super good. So anyway, let's go deliver these two deliveries. Let's go deliver, y'all. Let's go deliver. Oh. First drop off. I need to verify her ID. Alright, you guys, let's go to our next drop off, which is 11 minutes from here. 11 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Our third order of the day, you guys, $14 going to Mayo, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 5 items, yo. 5 items. Let's go shopping. We don't have carts, so let me go check carts outside. I hate when this happens. You go in and there is no cart to be found. She's bringing cart. Let me ask her to give me 1 cart. Excuse me, can I have 1 cart? Thank you. Thank you. Yo, I just finished shopping this order. It gave me a headache, y'all. Most of her items was out of stock. I couldn't see it. Like, this order gave me a headache. She ordered, all her stuff was like 17 items altogether. Like 7 of them, it was nowhere to be found, and it wasn't closed. I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this order stressed me out, y'all. So anyway, it was a big order. It was a good order, $28, and I'm going right now 5 miles, y'all, 5 miles. So it was a very good order. I'm like, okay, stress me out, but it's a good money. So right now I'm going to drop it off, y'all. I'm going to drop it off, and so we can get this money, y'all. So right now it's $250, and if I add this amount to my money, I think I'm gonna have like 100 something. I'm not sure. Somebody's calling me. Just received another order, you guys. It's a shopping order. It's $22 going 9 miles, and it's a shopping order. So I'm only shopping for 7 items, yeah, 7 items. Ooh, I'm tired. The instruction says to ring the doorbell. So, right now is 5:12, you guys. 5:12, and I just received another order, you guys. Shopping order, $19 going 2.8 miles, and I'm shopping for 22 items. So when I add this one, I'm going to have 145. So 200 is on the way. $200 is on the way, y'all. So I am ready. I'm missing $55 more to reach 200. I'm not going home till I reach that $200, y'all. $200. The kids are in winter break, so I can finish whatever time I want. So not going home till I see $200. Yeah. Let's go shop this order. One more, only one left. So lucky. $15 is going to my I have to shop for 9 items, yeah. Just 9 items. I am going outside so we can start delivering. Yo, I am missing $40 more to reach my goal. I wish I can get like $20 to last order of 2020s so I can reach my goal. So you guys, my plan didn't go as planned, and I managed to make 177. So I was only missing $23. So this is what happened. I sat there for almost 30, like 7 o'clock without I went from 7 o'clock to 7:30 waiting for an order without no order. So like around 7:35 they gave me $24. It was good mayo. I mean good order, $24, and I had to go like 8 miles. But when I checked where it was going, it was going opposite of like different city. I'm like, no, I don't want to go there at this time, at this night. Like, if it was daytime, yes, I would take that order. But at night, going 9 miles, 8 miles, I am scared. And different city, I was like, oh no, I'm not going there. I'm not driving there. So 177 is how much we made today. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. If you really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you like about this video. How was your Monday? Was it busy? Because here it was like we have to beg for orders to come. It was not like back to back. No, we had to beg. We have to wait for a couple minutes, So anyway, I'm thankful. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.